Okay, we are in our most recent rental, getting it rent ready again, and we just got it all painted, ceiling and the walls, everything in this house. We decided to just do pure white. Brand new carpet in the living room. We'll have to put the windows back up and the blinds back up. Over here, we had to take this wall down. There was rotted wood underneath. We had to reframe that area. A nice piece of drywall up there, a new piece over here because Steve had to come in and reframe this window. You can see from the old to the new, and behind the drywall as well. So I've been here today salvaging the carpet. It looks brand new again. Steam cleaning, shampooing. As you can see, this is drying today and I have the fan on. You gotta look at that and see why they wiggle so much. But we have the blinds for up there, which we will put back up. Clean out the window units. But this used to be a dark gray room as well. There's a lot of stains on the carpet. Children were in this room, but I was able to soak, scrub, and get a lot of it up. You can't really tell. So we'll have to fix some things that our guy who painted this house just painted over. For instance, this is gonna have to be sanded and remudded and repainted. And then when you come inside here, this whole bathroom got painted. Holes right here that he didn't plug up, and then a big hole right here. So I'm gonna have to come back and mud, sand, and paint. Clean this tub and recaulk it all. Get a holder for the paper holder. The cabinets used to be this dark gray in the kitchen, but we changed it out. Actually ordered a gray carpet, but Lowe's got it all wrong. They charged me overpriced. It was a big mess. I don't want to get into it. But the lower cabinets were all gray, so we brightened it up. Uppers are fine, they just need to be wiped down. So we always do a two-tone until we get to the point where we have to paint them again. Carpet and flooring. Flooring needs to be scrubbed really well. That black spot over there, this is where the refrigerator was. We'll have to clean that and fix some flooring. A lot of stains in this room, but steam cleaning it was able to come clean again. In this section, you don't see any more stains, right? So I have a Bissell cleaner, one of the latest models, and it does very, very well. Now we had to pull this carpet back and put new subfloor down. So this was a huge soft spot here. So we'll be putting this floor back maybe this weekend, getting this cleaned up. Looks like down there, this just got painted over and didn't get sanded and remudded. So guess what? I have to come and do that. We've got to replace this band and get one made out of plastic. Looks like that was put up and it was wood, got all wet, and you never do that in a bathroom. Sorry for the toilet. Up there on the ceiling needs a little bit of repair and then painted. We have to do that. So we can get this ready to go within, one day, an afternoon. And that needs to be cleaned. Of course, this tub needs to be cleaned. There is a product that you can use on here to get it pure white again. It's a paint. I might try it, I'm not sure. But this is a 16 wide, And then it has 2 good sized walk-in closets. Got one on this side. And then you got one over here. For his and hers. When we move this house out, we're going to be putting a central heating and air. And this is the laundry area. It'll need to be cleaned up really well. But stove, everything needs to be cleaned up. So we'll be moving the things out and getting our cleaner in here to really clean this up after we So I'm not sure why that happened at the very end of the video. The battery was okay, just decided to glitch itself and turn itself off. But we decided on all of our rentals just to keep the walls the satin white, where we can easily clean it and or touch-ups. And in mobile homes, especially kitchens and bathrooms, it's a good idea to have a semi gloss or satin because of the moisture. It's like a barrier, another barrier. But you know, Gabby will come in here and clean up the ceiling fans really well, and the windows. I don't know, maybe my voice is going to be real slow. And look up there, he forgot to paint around the lights. He was in such a hurry to get out of here and get pay. So I'm gonna have to call him back up here. I forgot a section too. Call him back and tell him to fix a couple of things and go from there. So we did replace the front door. It was old and ugly, so we have to get, forgot to take a picture, we have to get a base for the door down here. Threshold is what it's called, and put that down. We did some power washing on the house outside. We will be doing power washing on the decks and getting them restained. And then got to go around and measure some new blinds. Some blinds are okay, but some blinds need to be replaced. So I got to do that right now, and we'll have a final tour once the house is officially completed.